Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on a new section of the Southern Coastal Highway that just opened to the public this week or last week. This is a section that takes you from Albion Heights to Grandspend. We're actually going in the direction of from Grandspend to Albion Heights. Now this section of the road cuts out the winding section of the road that had become very popular with traveling to St. Thomas. So this road actually cuts out that winding road and also saves time because it shortens the journey because you're going in a straight line. So this section will definitely help with the journey from King Harborview to Yalos. As you can see, it's a very nice road, 4-lane dual carriageway. So from the Yalos Bridge to Albion, the road is 2 lanes because the Yalos Bridge is a 2-lane bridge and it would have been too expensive to expand it to 4 lanes. Okay, before we finish, this now is where the new section of the road ends because the new road was built going through the hill, and this is where it joins back the existing main road that's been upgraded to 4 lanes. So this is the Albion Heights area, and then from Albion Heights to the Southern Coastal Adventure Park, the road runs along the existing roadway which is being upgraded to 4 lanes. So if we were to go through the entire alignment from the Yalos Bridge to Albion, it's 2 lanes. Then from Albion to the Grandspend area, it's 4 lanes, and the highway runs along the existing roadway that has been upgraded to 4 lanes. And then where the video started now is Grandspend to Albion Heights, where a new alignment was done for the road that goes through the hill and comes out by Albion Heights, where it runs along the existing roadway that's upgraded to 4 lanes to the Southern Coastal Adventure Park. And then from the Southern Coastal Adventure Park to 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay, the highway, a new alignment was built going through the hill again, and then from 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay back to the Harborview Bridge, the highway runs along the existing roadway. So the Southern Coastal Highway basically runs along the existing roadway except for 2 sections, which is 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay to the Southern Coastal Adventure Park, and from Albion Heights to Grandspend. Every other aspect or section of the highway, it's the existing roadway that's been upgraded. Now from the Harborview Bridge to the Yalos Bridge, it's been upgraded to 4 lanes. But from the Yalos Bridge to Portland, the highway will be 2 lanes. Now the entire highway, phase 1 of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, which is Harborview to Port Antonio and Cedar Valley to Morant Bay, is 140 kilometers. That road was scheduled to finish in 2024. It was then delayed to 2025, and we're not sure what's going to happen in 2025. But the section from Harborview to Yalos, which is 17.4 kilometers, that section is scheduled to finish in August of this year, which is 5 weeks from now. So we're now approaching the Southern Coastal Adventure Park area. But as you can see, this is a very nice road. As we said in earlier videos, this road is a game changer for this side of the island. Never before has this side of the island seen roads of this quality. Never before. And it has opened up so many economic possibilities. They're actually building a massive housing development, the Sun Coast Beach Club. We have videos up of it so you can check out the construction. Okay, so when the road is finished now, you would go straight. But because it's still under construction, we're going to turn right and go on to the old main road. But the section, the highway will run straight, and that is where the new alignment from the Southern Coast Adventure Park to 10 to 12 miles Bull Bay is. Now that section, the new alignment, will open this week to the public, or it's scheduled to open this week to the public. So we're actually on the old road now, and the new alignment cuts out this section of the road. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember, we give you weekly videos on this project, and we will give you the weekly videos between now and the end of August, so that everybody can see what's going on as more sections of this highway, the Harborview to Yellow section of the highway, opens up. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Enjoy the rest of the video, which is the main road. I guess you could say, yeah, it's the main road from as we go through St. Thomas into St. Andrew. Alright guys, have a good day.